Hey everyone, and we're going to start the demonstration of the Tuli application, what we have built so far, and what we are doing it right now. I'm going to start over with like creating accounts in the both of the both the roles. Like it's going to be a candidate and an employer both. And later on, we also going to see what exactly the features that we can use right now. And yeah, let's create that one. So basically, this application is going to be released over the iOS and Android both at the same time. So the UI is going to be similar. So first, let's create a new account. So while hitting create new account text, it asks you what kind of account you wanted to create. So let's start with the candidate account. I'm clicking on the candidate account. So it's asking me like a few details or so. So I'll add a few details, which is like a Bipin Pandey email ID. I'll just add one of my generous email ID. This email ID is going to be later on verified, but right now we won't have a mechanism to actually verify the system. I added the password. Then it asked me the job category, the preferred location. So I just added NYC. Then we do have a slider, so we can actually slide in through, and we also set this values. So if we set the value, let's say 5,000, maybe 40,000, 40, or just not 40,000 or so. So that it will automatically slide in the slider, and it will automatically adjust the values also, right? Later on, we do have a job types. We can check all the job types, whatever we wanted to see. Then clicking on the continue button. Now over here, we do have a like a URLs that we actually gathered in. So let's try to add few of them, www.google.com, something like that. Yeah, that is something that we can do. It is not a mandatory one to have all the URLs at the moment, but it's better like if you can provide that. Once you do, you come into the work experience. You can also have like I don't have an experience, and then you can still create a new account. But what I prefer is to have at least one account, one work experience, so that I can demonstrate the process. So I'll add one company. Let's add the Tuli only. So I work at the Tuli INC, and then I am a developer. So that is what. And then we do have, uh, so I started 2018, let's say, and I left this job. So I just keep it current. So I was not going to check this. If I check this job, this end date is open. So that means you need to specify what kind of a date when you leave that company. So you just need to tell something about the companies as well. So like, let's say I am doing the work. Hmm. And then I hit continue. So I do have an option where I can add more experience. So if I add a more experience, it actually get saved. And then after it's clean up all the form for me to add in another work experience or so. So clicking on continue will actually shows me what exactly I have done so far. I've added. I clicking on continue, it says the account is created, and then we have to like we can actually start exploring out there. So if I hit anything, it says like, okay, you need to specify the email and the password. Let's provide a wrong password right now. So let's say I used my last name at gmail.com with the random password something, and it says login failed, right? That means we did something wrong over here. So let's add this one and 456, and let's say this is the password. So if I provide the right password, I actually landed onto my section. All the jobs right now is like the static one only. We were going to have a job in layer like next stage or so. When we navigate to the profile section, you will see we do have a name and email that we have used. We do have our initials as well that was written over here. Clicking on which we can actually open the camera, and I can click a selfie with this, and then the selfies are added over here. So right now it's upload fail because we are still working on the server side to actually store the image into like a specific container. and then all the things that we have added was going over here. So we do have a job preference section, we do have a social media section, we do have a work experience section. So this is the work experience I have added. So I've got this one as well over here. So these were these are the things which actually you can actually update the values also, right? You cannot update the email ID from here. Then you have a notification section. You have a notification over here. Right now we don't have any notification. I have to create one. Then we do have another notification access from here, so you can actually go it from there. This is what and also the support section, these things were coming from the backend system. So we can actually add more FAQs and more things to actually make the application to be more prominent and more self-explanatory. We can actually create we can also create a new support ticket. I can hit a support ticket. It asks me, it prompts me for this what we say form, where we have a ticket description and so on. So clicking on the support ticket will actually create a new support ticket for me. And it actually says, okay, this support ticket is generated. And then we got it into the backend side also. So this is what the this is what the development have been done so far in terms of in Tuli web in the Tuli user side. Now let's navigate to the Tuli employer side. So we can actually hit again to the create new account. Now this time, let's select the employer section. Over here, we can specify all the information. Okay, I'm going with ABC company. The registration ID is 123. The website, let's keep it blank. Brief about the company. This is a initial company, let's say. And then we have to specify where this company is located in. And then we have to say what is like employee count we do have. We can also upload the logo, but yeah, right now it is not working. You can still upload the logo, but yeah, it is not uploaded to the server right away. It will take like, I think a day or so to like fix this thing. Clicking on continue. Now it's asking me what is going to be your hiring manager name and email ID, password, name, email ID, and phone number. So I'm specifying, let's say, uh, Josh. Okay. So Josh at Tuli.com. Now, what is this do? What this do? This is Josh.com. Okay. Now I'm putting my number. So that is my number. I can still upload the photo of the hiring manager. I click on finish setup. Now it says that the employee sign up is done, and there is going to be like a temporary password is going to be sent over the email. Right now, I'm displaying it up. So let's write this email like this one. So the password is F capital W O J O 2 D Q S and F. Okay. Now let's click on OK. Clicking on OK will actually land it us to an employer login section. Clicking on employer login, then we have a separate login for the employee. Okay, so the sign up process is going to be same from the same page, but the login is going to be from the different pages, right? So we created Josh at gmail.com, and then we have this password. So let's put it over here. Clicking on login, it says something went wrong. So okay, so it's Tuli.com. Yeah, great. So this is going to be the like the home page, which is under development right now, but we still use this page in order to see the jobs that we are going to create it from ourselves. So hitting on create new job will actually opens this form. We just need to specify a few details. Let's say if I wanted to specify software engineer role, and then we'll specify, hey, what is going to be the job category, the job type, the city, the state, country, postal code, remote allows, number of vacancies. Let's say four. Minimum salary is going to be 20,000. That is the minimum one, and the maximum one is going to be the 40,000 USD. Minimum experience 2, maximum 2025, required qualification, yes, and the deadline is going to be the 30th of October. Then we have this visa, no sponsorship. Okay, yeah. Then going to be the hiring manager name. Let's say I want to add myself. So this can be like a autofill with the hiring manager that we used to create when we creating the account. And this is what the thing's going to be look like. Then I'm going to provide a phone number as well. And this is going to be a US phone number. So that is creating a job post. Now it says because of few of the things which is not properly incorporated so far, this is not going to be created. Let's see what exactly the problem is. I'll see this is the server issue, not related to the application. Yeah, and we can still create the job from here. So once we create a job from here, we were able to see the job in this particular page. We can also see our profile, which is later on going to be changes because this profile is belong to the employee. So far, this is what the development looks like. I am still working on the biometric thing and few other stuff as well. I think by the end of today, I was able to provide the job creation flow and the profile for the employer as well. And then the employee can actually able to see the jobs in their dashboard and can apply through. Later stages, we'll still plan for a chat section that is going to be there. So it is, I'm not releasing it right now because I have to test it again. So yeah, so far this is going to be the Tuli development flow. Let me know your feedback. I was happy to help you out.